I'm MWG and let's get right into the unboxing. Alright, in case you didn't know, I was on a week vacation. I was all the way in Rhode Island. In case you didn't see my DJI Spark unboxing video, I explained that right here. But I was all the way up in Rhode Island, the tiniest state in the United States, in case you don't know about it. But I was gone for a week. I wasn't able to make tech videos except for the unboxing. So now I'm getting back into it. And I have another unboxing on two products that I love and I'm very interested in, the Google Home Mini and the Amazon Echo Dot. Amazon and Google are really the only two companies trying to buy in on that smart speaker market, and each of these speakers are the $30 speaker. They're the cheapest speaker, they're the budget speaker, and we gotta try out how it is. Both of these used to be $50, but now they're slashed off $20 off their price, and now they're $30 each, making it very appealing to buy one of these speakers. Both these speakers have the same price, they're both the same size, they both have the same sound quality. The only thing different is the assistant. The Google speaker has the Google Assistant and the Amazon speaker has Alexa built inside it. Here you have the Amazon Echo Dot box right here. Here's the labeling on the front. On the side you got all these different apps that you could have access to. Nice small package, and same thing with the Google Home Mini. You have the little promo image right here. You have the little things we could ask the Google Assistant. Same thing with Amazon on the front. And it's a nice small package. Look, small and mighty. That's what these two speakers are. They're small and mighty. Two perfect adjectives to describe it. I got the Google Home Mini in charcoal gray, and I got the Amazon Echo Dot in, I don't know what color. I think it's white based on the box, but I don't know if you could get colors for the Amazon Echo Dot. I'm not really sure about that, sorry, but I did get the charcoal gray, not the chalk white, I think, for the Google Home Mini. I wanted to get the coral color. It's like an orange color for the Google Home Mini, but that wasn't available. It's gonna be available in like 4 weeks, I think, so you're gonna have to wait for that. Let's first open the Amazon Echo Dot. This is already a small package. I mean, nothing really much. You don't even need the knife for this one. Pull it out like that. Very small. Here's the Echo Dot, and wow, it's so small. It's smaller than you imagine. Look, it's the white. I think you could get it in black also, but I'm not really sure about the color options. Here's a little difference I just noticed between the Amazon Echo Dot and the Google Home Mini is that the Amazon Echo Dot takes micro USB and the Mini plugs in with USB-C. Very interesting. And you know how much I love USB-C. USB-C is the future. So Amazon Echo Dot kind of slacking with the micro USB. Gotta put USB-C there. Here's a nice small speaker. Here comes a little power brick. Oh, it's black. That's kind of sleek. Take that off right here. That's it. It's plain and simple. It looks good. It says Amazon on that. That's pretty good. High quality stuff. And then here's the charging cable, micro USB. I mean, I already have a ton of these. That's a good thing. And also I have a ton of USB-C, but you know, you gotta move to USB-C and not complaining here. Okay. Time for the Google Home Mini. Unbox that here. Take off the wrapping. No, you don't. Just rip that tab off right there. And there it is, nice and small Google Home Mini. Whoa, look, it has a red bottom, never knew that. But here, wait, it also charges micro USB. Never mind what I just said about the Echo Dot charging micro USB and the Google Home Mini charging USB-C. They both charge micro USB. That is a shame on both companies. Come on, USB-C is the future, come on. But here you have the Amazon Echo Dot and here you have the Google Home Mini. Both almost the exact same size. Like, look at that compared to my hands, both the same size. Gonna produce the same quality, and most importantly, they're the same price at $30. You can't really go wrong at $30. Just buy it to try it out, why not? Continuing to go into the Google Home box, take that out, let's get started. Okay. Here we go, here's a little Google Home. It's not a little power brick for the Amazon, so that's interesting. But it comes together, this little Google logo, seems sleek, and you just plug that into the Google Home. Not that bad. And that's really it to the Amazon Echo Dot and the Google Home Mini unboxing. The Google Home Mini has less options than the Echo Dot, but it does look nicer and it looks like it matches in your modern home. In case you've never seen my video talking about Google speakers versus Amazon speakers. Interesting video. I am for sure gonna test each of these guys, see how they perform, the sound quality, the Google Assistant versus the Alexa, everything. And I'm gonna come out with a review probably in 2 to 3 weeks. These are both my first ever smart speakers. You could say the Amazon Echo beats the Google Home Mini by about 30 seconds because I opened it up 30 seconds before, but they're both my first introduction to smart speakers. I'm excited to start testing this product. So make sure you smash that subscribe button right here to stay informed, and I'll see you in the next one.